Being a mom, being a parent, I would say, is very instinctive. ये जो माँ होती है, वो माँ, she's never, she's made. She is truly made. She is not born.
Lovely. Can't see you.
On this, the other side. The other side. Hi. I would say firstly, congratulations for the film. The trailer looks wonderful. If I would ask you, you yourself are a mother, and while playing such a character and trying to portray to the world that माँ को सिर्फ sacrifices करते हुए नहीं देख सकते, she'll take a stand जब बच्चे पे आएगी. How difficult was it for you, and आपके real life के हिसाब से अगर मैं पूछूं, कोई ऐसे instincts थे while on the stage, while you were performing or while you were shooting, जो real life mother instincts आपके camera roll के time पे सामने आए?
Being a mom, I'm sure if you have, I don't know whether you have kids or not. Being a mom, being a parent, I would say, is very instinctive. I mean, instinctively, you do a lot of things that you would probably हाथ ऐसे जाता है. You'll protect you walk across the road, you'll automatically pull your baby closer. You'll, if you're sitting and if you're, if he or she's breathing wrong, something happened. So it's a very instinctive, it's a very, everything about that body next to you, that person next to you is very instinctive. And yes, we try to portray it on screen. And I'm hoping that, my subconscious was as strong as my conscious. And, I'm able to put that across. But yes, I think that when we talk about mothers and when we talk about protection, जो हम कहते हैं, it is not only about sacrifice. It is also definitely about standing up. It is, I think, I like they say, there's nothing more scary than a mama bear. So beware.
Hello, hi. Kajol ma'am here. आपके straight और left, सीधा here. Hi.
11 o'clock.
Hi. Okay. This is Komal Vishwakarma from IWM Buzz. मेरा सवाल काजोल मैम आपसे है. आज के ज़माने में मदरहुड के मायने बदल गए हैं. आपकी नज़र में माँ होने में और माँ बनने में क्या मतलब है?
अगर मायने बदल गए हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सोसाइटी के लिए बदले होंगे. लेकिन अगर माँ जो है, जो शब्द है, उसका मैं यही कहूँगी कि जो माँ होती है, वो माँ she's never, she's made. She is truly made. She is not born. You are not a mother just because you carry a child in your womb or you give birth to a child. You become a mother when you take care of that child, when you put that child's welfare above everything else, when you do everything in your power to take care of that child and to raise that child to the best of your ability. That is when you become a mother or become a parent. And I think that that has been there from time immemorial. That definition of mother cannot be changed and put into say that माँ जो होती है वो पहले ऐसी थी और अब ऐसी है, बिल्कुल नहीं. मुझे लगता है जो माँ होती है वो माँ थी, है और रहेगी. वो चेंज नहीं होगा कभी.